So now I just go like with the other options. Of course, I could have looked in the design and it really tells me what to do, a lot of things about what settings he uses. But one of the things I want to do is rotate it. And well, I don't know this slicer that well yet, so I have to look how it really works. Okay. Now I see, so here you see it already going there, so of course I want it to be directly flat, so minus 180, and compared to the bed that looks good to me. And you see all the other options like scaling and place on the bed. Oh, I could use that, of course. Cutting is when you want to have it in multiple places, and then put the layer together. For example, as of course you do it layer height cutting. You can do it with all the orientations of your part. So if you want it to be half height, then you can cut it this way too. Of course, you can do that all the way nowadays, so not that problematic anymore. And you can really split an options. And clone is so you have multiple of the same ones on the bed if it will fit. I think it will even be possible this time, but I only need one, so why would I? And now I can just also, you can also set a support. Of course I had no support, but you can put it on yourself, and here's also if you want extra bed adhesion. Mostly this automatic is okay, or just use this brim. You can also paint all these things. Okay, let's see if I can just let it run. So it's still putting on the message about this supports. Let's see where it is missing the supports, and then I will probably put supports on it anyway. So you see there are some places with the infill, and it has a high profile here, so it's impossible to print for certain. Probably need some support, so okay, I will put supports in. And you see it has used a lot of supports, and probably it is well needed in many cases in this profile, so this is not the easiest print to start with, but as you can see it will. And I don't know why it's hollow here in this profile, I don't know for sure, but of course he made a good copy of the original, I guess. So it's not the easiest file to print, but you see how it works. This green thing is this supported now, so that will be using a little bit filament, not that much, and you have to remove it after printing, simply because the printer cannot print in mid-air without problems. So well, this will be okay. You see it's only 8 hours and 20 minutes. It's not that much compared to many prints, so that will be okay. Then just you download the G-code and put it on the printer. You can use the stick or use the upload system that you want. And to add, I didn't need support like it's written by him, so it could be printed just with the open side open, so of course it will work without support. He tested it and it will probably just work out really fine. So just to add that to the previous one.